Hi, welcome to how to delete items from your GLG page. First thing you do, of course, is go to your page. It's very easy to delete things. Anything that is in a box, a web cart, that's what we call these boxes, that look like this, whether it's what will be taught next week or whether it says announcements, these are all the type of web cart this is announcements. You simply navigate to the one you want to get rid of. Let's take this one, which is old. You click on the blue that underlines. See, this blue doesn't underline, that's because it's in the announcement itself. But if you click on the title of it, it will open it up and you can go ahead and delete it. You can also edit it from here. If you know when you put in the item you want it to expire on a certain date, disappear from your web page, you scroll down and see where it says expires. When you're editing this and when you're adding something for the first time, there's a box and you can put a date in there and it will expire automatically for you. Use that only for things you are sure you want to disappear. Click it. If not, and you want to delete it, just click on delete item, say OK, and you're done. That works for anything that looks like this. It's what we call announcements. So the list of what you're doing this week, what you're doing next week, anything you've added. There's a web part that's called newsletters. It's actually still announcements. And actually there's a web part called announcements. So deleting this way will work for all of those. For photos and newsletters, it works slightly differently. In your photos, you might have a slideshow which is called This Week in Pictures. You can either click on the photo or click on this. I've already emptied that out so you can't look at it. If you have something that looks like this, which is a list of pictures, you might have folders which are in green. If they're pictures, you click on the pictures. If they're folders, you just click on the folder name and it will open it up like this. There you go. Now you see their pictures. You click on the picture and you can go ahead and delete the item there. Now if, like just happened, it takes a moment to actually delete, what is happening is that your computer is just having difficulties catching up, or the server is, the internet is slow. Just wait until it can be underlined like this. Like that. On delete, say OK, and it will delete it. And when it does that, it doesn't take you back to where you were before. If you want to go back, you could click up here. These are called breadcrumbs. On grade 2, it would take you back to your page. But it will also show you the entire folder. You can click on the name of the folder. And now here's a list of all the photos. I'm going to show you in a moment another way to get to it. You can click on them individually to delete. Then you go to Actions, Delete, say OK. Or, see this little box up here? If you click that, you'll click on all the ones that are visible, and you can click Delete. Now I'm not going to do that to this teacher. You click on Delete, and it'll delete them all. Get rid of that. You just click twice. I'm going to navigate back to where we were. Grade 2. To delete newsletters, it works the same way. Or slightly differently, you can click on Resources up here, the name of it. Now, you don't want to click on the icons or just click on it normally because it would open it in your window and you might not want to do that. Let's click on Back to School, Lower Console Back to School Night. Instead of just clicking on it, which would open it, you can click on this arrow over here and click Delete. Say OK. So I'm going to go back to the grade 2 page. One other way to get to these folders is to click on View All Site Content, and then you see the various folders, and this is just another way to get to them so you can delete what is in them.